some of these security challenges that we have in this country. It is the desire of President Bola Ahmed to see that once the legal framework, once the backing of the National Assembly is sought, that all states have state police. I think it is time for Nigeria to have a state police as mentioned and as also is being pursued by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Of course, this has to be done within our own legal framework and within also the law that will be the legislation that will be done by the National Assembly. But it is the government's desire, it is the desire of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to ensure that we have state police as soon as it is practicable in this country.